Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best toaster ovens that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Ninja Air Fry Countertop Oven. You get a lot of options with this Ninja toaster oven. It includes air fry, air roast, air broil, dehydrate, and warm in addition to more standard settings. This lends itself to a control panel that's less intuitive than others, but spending any amount of time with the instruction manual should clear up any confusion. The capacity is impressive. We fit up to 9 cookies or slices of toast inside during testing. This kind of space allows you to easily prepare food for more than 1 or 2 people at a time. The dials and controls are very easy to read, especially with the light-up panel. Moving on at number 4, we have the Black+Decker toaster oven. If you're looking for a no-frills kitchen workhorse, this is the best toaster oven for you. While it doesn't come with fancy features you'd find in pricier models, such as an air fryer or the ability to roast or reheat, for the price we found its performance to be surprisingly high quality. The Breville oven comes with 4 standard functions: bake, broil, toast, and warm. During testing we found the bread was evenly browned, the cookies were ready on time according to baking directions, and the cheese was perfectly melted. True to its name, we were able to toast 4 slices of bread, or bake 4 cookies, at a time. At number 3, we have the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven has more features and functions, 11 total, than almost any other appliance we tested. There's even a frozen foods button that adds the recommended defrosting time to the timer. We were also impressed by the range of included accessories. It comes with a baking pan, broiling pan, non-stick pizza pan, wire rack, pizza stone, air fryer basket, and crumb tray. When testing the toast function, we found that it toasted bread evenly but that there were cold spots on the side, the left less so than the right. We were able to fit 6 cookies in the oven to bake, and they came out very well. The cheese melted on broil evenly with slightly browned edges, and the air frying feature was incredibly effective, crisping a bag of fries on the outside while leaving them soft in the middle. At number 2, we have the Instant Pot Omni Plus Air Fryer Toaster Oven. One of the most game-changing developments in toaster oven design has been the integration of air fryers, and the Instant Pot Omni Plus is a perfect example of how well it can work. The fries we made in the air fryer basket came out flawlessly crisp. The other functions include roast, dehydrate, reheat, warm, convection, and rotisserie, which wasn't available on any other toaster oven we tested. We think the rotisserie feature adds a lot of value, helping to make this one of the best toaster ovens we tried. The included rotisserie spit, setting screws, forks, and cooking pan are also standout additions. We love the clear touchscreen display and how simple it is to use the dials and controls to create your ideal settings. And finally at number 1, we have the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. If you're not much of a cook, this user-friendly option will quickly build your confidence in the kitchen. The instruction booklet includes tons of recipes and a reference guide with the proper cook times for common ingredients. There's also a backlit screen controlled by a dial knob that allows you to select your cooking function. Though there is a countdown timer once you select the function, there's no timer dial. Accessories include a baking and roasting pan, an air fryer basket. It also works for broiling and dehydrating, and a pull-out crumb tray. We didn't detect any hot or cold spots during testing, though when we toasted multiple pieces of bread, the ones on the outer edges were slightly less browned.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.